Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to study part 2 of the chapter is for the top from the textbook behind. Let's have an introduction to the chapter. The chapter is a biographical sketch of Maria Sharapova. The episode is a biographical sketch of Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova is a brave lady who has reached to the top of the world through her sustained and determined efforts, hard works, and her determination towards her ambition. Maria Sharapova's story of success as she became the top seeded women tennis player in the world motivates us. She overcame all the hurdles and bore humiliation too in order to achieve her dreams. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirit kept her going. Next, you have a summary. Go through it carefully. The chapter about Maria Sharapova or the textual content or the write-up about Maria Sharapova inspires us to remain determined and make sacrifices in order to fulfill our dreams. On 22nd August 2005, Maria became the top seeded player in the world women's tennis state rankings. She made great sacrifices to achieve her goal. At the tender age of 9, she left her home in Siberia, Russia to get training in tennis. She went to Florida in USA with her father. Maria suffered a painful separation from her mother for a period of 2 years. She could not see her father too as he remained busy working, arranging funds for all her needs. She was bullied by her seniors, and being a foreigner, she had to suffer all that patiently. Maria did not feel depressed. Rather, she was prepared for greater insults too in order to achieve her aim. Her mantra for success is to work hard and face the toughest competition. Although she was trained in the US, she considers herself to be a Russian and is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Her favorite hobbies are fashion, singing and dancing. She loves reading novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Her love for fashionable evening gowns is in contrast. Her love for fashionable evening gowns is in contrast to her liking for pancakes with chocolates spread and orange flavored aerated drinks. These were her favorite edibles. Got it? Pancakes with chocolates spread and orange flavored aerated drinks. This was in contrast to her likings for pancakes. This was in contrast to her fashionable evening gowns. Got it? The monetary gains and the fame incurred by Maria are well deserved.